significance out of proportion to itself. The public, the media themselves, are looking to grasp onto anything that they can to understand why somebody like Lanza or like any other number of mass killers out there could have done what they've done. And often